Hi everyone, I am Priyanka on behalf of Paper Rose Studio and I'm excited to see this one's DT kit. So I am, so let me show you. This is a September month and Halloween is just around the corner. So this month I've got Halloween papers. Let me show you the ones which I have got here. This is Happy Halloween 6x6 and other one is Happy Halloween 6x6 basic pattern papers. So these ones are more vibrant and that one is a little bit pastel. Let me open it up and show you. These papers also come in 12 by 12, but since I had a project in my mind which is gonna be perfect with the 6x6 collection, so I thought let's use the 6x6 this time. So they have these small 3 by 2 by 3 journal things or with sentiments. They are really cute to layer, and even you can fussy cut them out and use somewhere where you need smaller elements. And that's the back here, spider webs with spiders. The next one here is the pumpkin patches with beautiful background at the back. So this one is all Halloween elements. So I have never worked before with Halloween papers. I was really excited to use these. This one is the candies and cupcakes, and then again we have some more Halloween elements at the back. Then we have the bats, skeleton candies, pumpkins with bats at the back. Love this mushroom. This red really adds beautiful color pop to the papers. And this flying ghost is really cute, and candy corns. Loving the whole autumn effect, the fall leaves and lanterns. Really, really cute. And then there's another one with the flying ghost. And then the papers repeat themselves. So in each pattern paper pack, you get 18 double-sided patterns, which are perfect for all your scrapbooking needs. Let me show you this one. The color palette really coordinates with the other one here, and I thought it's going to be great if I use some pastels in between. So this one, we have some pebbles colored and then ghosts. Then we have a plaid, some dot patterns. Then we have these candies, and then let me show you the backs. So this one is a colorful stripes in a curvy zigzaggy way, and then it says trick or treat. And then this one here is some kind of paw print or pumpkin print or something. And then we have another color in this one. This is a dark blue background. And we have, this is also a very small ghost flying in the air, paint in pastel. So that's the whole colors. Now let me show you the other things that I ordered. So these are the Spooky Halloween embossed die cuts and Happy Halloween embossed die cuts. So this is a part of the same collection, Happy Halloween. But then I thought just to get some variety, I ordered this one as well because the color palette matches, and I thought it would be really exciting to use some figures that it has zombie and a scarecrow or mummy or kids dressed up as Halloween characters. So I thought it's really good. Let me show you the Happy Halloween first. So if you're new to Paper Rose Studio, then they have these embossed die cut collections in which you get 4 A5 sheets, and they are already pre-cut for you. They also have this amazing white border. So you just pluck these out and you can use these very quickly and efficiently on your cards, layouts, anything. Okay, so love this pumpkin with the hat. So that's the first sheet here, and this one is second. They have small elements, big elements, and everything that you can think of. That's the third sheet. You have this poison bottle as well, a broomstick, and just love the cauldron and this cat. Yeah, so that's the 4 sheets which comes in this collection. Now let me show you Spooky Halloween. Spooky Halloween has these beautiful blackish characters and has spider web. It also has a little bit of purple in it, and these are flying broomstick with a witch on it and a Halloween decorated shop here. Loving the variety of the elements. So I just thought that let's play with 2 sets of embossed die cuts. So really excited to use these. So that's everything about the Halloween. And then I also ordered this spiderweb stencil. If you haven't checked out their stencils, they have a great variety. You can go and check that. This is called Cobweb. It's 6x6 in size. Really great quality. And then I ordered some nesting dies. So you already know that these are the basic necessities for any crafter, and it doesn't matter how many nesting dies you have, you can still use more of them and they never go to waste. So the ones which I ordered here is first this double stitch square nesting dies. So this has total number of 4. You can get those frames for making shaker as well. It's a really good size. So this is Stitch Square Frames metal die. Next one here is this rectangle one. It has this dotted pattern as well as embossed outside corner, which really gives it a bit of a effect on the sides that is really great for layering in the cards. So I thought it's going to be a great addition to my stash. Also, they are a little bit thinner in the borders as compared to this one. This is almost ½ inch and this is 1/4 inch, right? And then I got the same one in the circle. This is the same set, circle broad nesting dies. Is called circle frame stitched metal die, also perfect for your shakers. And then I got this scalloped oval. They have two sizes here. Let me show you the exact size. For the oval, this one is 4.75 and this is 3.75, the bigger one, and the smaller one here is 3.5 by 2 3/4. All right, so this is another metal die, scalloped oval frames, right? And then the last one here is the banner, stitch banner. I didn't have this and I am going to make something very beautiful with the Halloween collection. So I was thinking of making maybe a banner saying happy Halloween, or can be used in various many projects for Christmas or for baby nurseries as well. So the biggest die in this is measures, it's 6/5/8 of an inch, and the broader part is 3/7. It's really good size, so I thought let's just have this one. They also have another design in this in which the point is like an arrow shape. So that's another design. So it's banner 1 large metal die, that's called banner 2 large metal die. So I hope you guys like this. If you want to buy any of these products, I will link them down below. You can go and check them out or just visit their website, paperrosestudio.com. So that's it from my side, and I'll be back soon with some inspirations. Until then, happy Halloween and happy crafting. See you later. Bye.